Welcome back. Today we dive into the leaked details of the Vivo Y400 5G, a non-Pro variant coming soon to markets like India and Pakistan. Rumored specs, price, colors, and launch timeline, we cover it all. Vivo recently launched the Y400 Pro 5G in June 2025, featuring a 6.77-inch curved AMOLED, MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset, 5500 mAh battery, dual ISO camera, 90W charging, IP65 rating, running FunTouch OS 15 on Android 15. Now leaks suggest the base Vivo Y400 5G is on the way to complement that Pro model, expected to feature a 6.78-inch AMOLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, Full HD Plus resolution, 1080x2400, and brightness up to approximate 1200 nits HBM, peak 1800 nits, powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset, likely Snapdragon 4 Gen 2, at 2.4 GHz. With 8GB RAM and 128GB UFS 2.2 storage, and possibly microSD support. Camera setup: rear 50MP wide plus 2MP depth, with LED flash, front 32MP selfie camera, video limited to 1080p at 30 frames per second. Battery capacity tipped at 5500 mAh, matching the Pro model, with 90W fast charging support. Operating system: Android 15 with FunTouch OS 15. Color options likely to include olive green and glam white, same as leaks for Y400 Pro model. Expected IP rating may come with IP68/IP69 water and dust resistance, an upgrade over Pro's IP65 rating according to recent leaks. Design likely to mimic Pro, with curved glass, slim form factor, hole punch front camera. In Pakistan, WhatMobile lists the Vivo Y400 at an expected price of 89,999 rupees, launching around September 30, 2025. Indian launch expected in early August 2025, with price under 20,000 Indian rupees according to 91mobile. Similarities: display refresh rate, RAM, storage, battery size and charging, camera resolutions. OS differences: chipset likely Snapdragon instead of Dimensity 7300, may offer higher IP, 68/69 versus 65, possibly flat panel display versus curved on Pro. Price more affordable. If you're looking for a future-proof mid-range 5G device with high refresh rate, AMOLED display, strong battery, and Android 15, the Y400 could be excellent value. Compared to competitors like Galaxy A series or Xiaomi phones in same range. Potential drawbacks: no OIS on main camera, Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 versus more powerful Dimensity on Pro. Official unveiling expected within weeks, with formal confirmation from Vivo. Encourage viewers to subscribe and comment if they want rumored renders, hands-on leaks, or comparisons once the device launches. So that was the Vivo Y400 5G leak summary: specs, price, timeline, and how it stacks up. Let me know what you think about the design or value. Comment below.